Black Diamond Harley-Davidson presents Why I Ride.
You know, I've been riding motorcycles as long as I can remember. There's pictures of me on little dirt bikes at my grandparents' house when I was 3-4 years old. You know, I went to work in a factory right out of high school, and that was the first thing that I was going to buy was a Harley-Davidson. We went straight to the Harley shop and I bought my first motorcycle. It was a '92 Heritage Softail. You know, I still have the motorcycle. You know, the best part of the day is whenever you can jump on that bike and ride it home. And a lot of times, you know, I only live about 10 minutes from here, but it takes me about 45 minutes to get home. So I'll just take the back roads, go for a little cruise and everything, you know, just kind of relax and kick back and, you know, forget about how the day went. There's nothing like it. I can remember a good friend of mine telling me one time, he's like, you know, I didn't buy a motorcycle. He said, I bought a lifestyle. And that's kind of what it is, you know, with Harley-Davidson. It changes your whole life. That's one thing that Harley-Davidson does. It just brings the people together, no matter what walk of life you are.